Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO A6 Pro 5G, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the quick settings on this phone. First, let's open the quick settings on our phone. To open it, swipe down from the top of the screen right here on the right side of your phone. It will open the quick settings. And here we have basically shortcuts for different functions of the phone, and we can customize this menu. We can tap on settings icon. Was it settings icon or? No, not right here, my bad. So at the bottom we have the three dots icon and then customize quick settings. And here we can change few options. We have split or classic. Split version basically works, you have notifications and the quick settings menu, it's split between them. And to open the notifications, you swipe left on the screen right here, or rather you swipe down on the left side of the screen, my bad. And to open the quick settings, you swipe on the right side of the phone. And we can change it to classic, which basically combines them both. So if you change to classic, you open the menu, doesn't matter from which side of the screen you swipe down, it will open the menu. And you have the notifications and quick settings combined. So basically to open the quick settings fully, you need to swipe down right here on the screen. And here we have the quick settings, and here we have the notifications, which there's quite a few of them, so I'm gonna clear them. Let's go back to the more options and customize quick settings, change it to split. And if you select split mode, you can also enable and disable the options like allow quick settings to lock screen. So basically, if your screen is locked, you can still open the quick settings. Okay, like this. What else we have there? Show tile names. If you disable this option, it basically hides the names for the tiles. So if you don't like that, you don't have have names on the tiles, you can disable them. And here we have the option to reset layout. So basically, if you change something and you don't know how to put it back to the previous state, you can always reset the layout to the factory default settings. You can also change the order of the icons, which icons are on the menu and stuff like that. So if you tap on this edit icon, it will enter the edit menu. And here you can remove the icons from the list, so shortcuts. You can add the icons by tapping on one of them right here. You can change the order of the icons, so if you press and hold on one, you can drag it to somewhere and then drop it, like that. And once you're done, you can tap on done, and the icon will be here, if you set it to be here. Okay, and that's how you customize the quick settings on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.